I'm Sophia from Ashton, and I like how we can do different activities when we're here.
Hi, my name is Hussein Kadar and I'm here at Hollowford Centre, and I'm from England in Ashton, and I have gone camping, and the best part is the outdoors of this experience.
My name is Amina and I come from Pakistan. And what I like about camping is I just like the activities because it just gives you a better experience outside and outdoors. I'm from Pakistan and it's good activities and it's like it's camping.
My name's Saraj. I'm from England, and I like camping because I get to stay in a tent with my friends. My name is Haris and I'm from England. It's holidays in school, so my uncle has booked us a minibus to Hollowford Centre. Hello, my name is Idris and I'm from Aston, and my favourite part about camping and staying in the tent.
My name is Benjamin. I'm from Ashton, and what I like about camping is all the activities.
I am Maria. I am from Africa. I like hikes.
Hello, my name is Amina. I'm from Ashton, and what I like about camping is to be with my friends and do lots of activities.
My name's Emma, I'm from Holland, and my favourite bit about camping is making the s'mores and eating them.
You do it without hands, Emma? Yeah, and you go all the way and then across. Who's not been? Courtney. Right, hands free, yeah?
My name is Mira and I'm from London, and something I enjoy about camping is the variety of activities that we get to do, and it's really fun.
My name is Courtney, and we had a campfire last night with some marshmallows.
My name is Hafsa and I'm from Ashton, and I
Fun.
Sophia, and I'm from Ashton, and I enjoyed doing all the different activities like weaseling.
Hello.
That person's out the next step.
Are you out?
yeah, she's out there.
Right, and then you just wait. You can just wait a bit lower for me.
I'm scared.
Okay? From there, just wait on the side somewhere. Emma, stand up. You can do that. It's really not that tiny.
It's not. It looks really small.
It looks smaller than it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Well. You just wait there for me, okay? Don't go anywhere.
It actually is quite big.
Stay together.
Hello. Oh, my hands are.
legs through. Uncle Ali.
I'm Alia.
And that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Goodness me.
Have a look at Uncle Ali.
Hello.
Who's this? Look over here.
I'm
Oh, smelly, stinky.
I like Riesling. I like Riesling.
Miriam, look here.
My stomach's
Look here.
hurting.
Hey.
Just go straight through.
Just go through. Trust yourself.
Can I see? Can I go
Good job.
for another
Go on.
Riesling?
Your legs will just
I love Riesling.
wait there for me. We can go.
My name's Emma, I'm from Holland and I love Riesling because we get to go through tiny holes.
From Ashton, I love Riesling.
Good job, Sophia. Your legs will come out. She can do this. She's not.
I'm Hafsa and I love Riesling.
I'm not sure about that.
Come on, just pull yourself through. She really, really loves it.
She really loves it.
And I love Riesling.
We also so reluctant.
Literally. Good job. Swing your legs round. Perfect.
Go on, Amira.
Thank
Just
you.
pull your leg through. Do you want some help? No?
Yeah.
Yes.
Come on, that's what Inaya did.
Just pull your leg through.
Look up.
That hurt.
There's another one. Look.
That really hurt.
There's another one.
Wait, is there anything on me?
I'm gonna look. There's another one.
How many is there anything on me?
No. Is there any?
Your laces need doing up as well.
Good job.
You can just slide
So the difference in Rana was she was like had her knees bent a little bit.
The next
have her
one,
heels up.
we need to, yeah, you like just rushing, thinking you're well sick.
That's back.
My name is Ibrahim and I'm from England. My favourite activity is the caving. Okay, my name's Subhan Ali. I came from Pakistan, very poor, and all I like about camping is being with my friends.
Well, no, I'm Welsh.
And what I like about Hollowford is I can learn new stuff and then when I go back home I know what to do. And it's like where you learn.
Come on, Ali.
No,
Whoa.
I'm not related to him.
So what's the second name, Ali?
Your arms will come off.
Just,
Come on, use
did you like that?
in the air.
This,
Stand up. Right, use
Look.
your arm. Come on. That's better.
Well, I'm from England and I'm at the Hollowford Centre.
Wait.
My name is Zayab. I'm from Ashton. Malawi.
through that hole.
It's messy.
Does that mean the plants die? Yeah. So if I grow a plant, does that mean I'm a father?
There you go. See? Give it time. You're good, aren't you? Yeah, right, go that way.
Go on, put your legs first. Good boy, yeah. Just push yourself down. Excellent. Well done. Yay.
about 10 minutes. Yeah. About that. Slide down. Who's left?
They actually still filming me.
Hi, my name is Inaya. I'm from Ashton Underline, and my favourite thing in camping is everything, but mostly two things is playing at the park, making s'mores, and doing lots of new adventures. My name's Emma. I'm from Holland, and my favourite bit about camping is going caving. I don't want to.
Hi, my name is Ibrahim. I live in Ashton and I like weaseling. My name is Hassan and I'm from Ashton, and my favourite part about Hollowford was the high ropes. I'm Hannah and I'm from Ashton. My favourite part is when we went weaseling. My favourite part of camping is when we went weaseling. My name is Umar. I live in Ashton and I really love this camping because I can hang out with my friends and it's really nice to sleep with.
My name is Ibrahim. I'm from Birmingham and I like the fire. And I like playing football.
My name is Adam. I'm from Pakistan and I like the football and the weaseling. What are you doing?
My name's Ismail. I like, where I'm from England, I like doing weaseling because I have to fill gaps.
Okay. Done. Okay. Hello, my name is Ali and I am from Ashton. My favourite part about this, definitely not weaseling. It's probably going to be the night walk. Yeah.
Where would there be shops around here?
Got Emma's tent. Emma, and she would like to share with Paulie. Take your foot there. Grab a bit. Take it go here. No? So, you can go with them too. Is that okay? Emma, show them around in your tent and where things are going to go. Then you have got this tent, that's everybody.
I will attack you. Don't touch my food.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Hi.
Why? This is very sad.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
I'm getting a baby.
Not June 2nd.
What?
No, out of the queue.
You are being arrested for saying what silly guy.
Nah, you said it was
And the somewhere else. Somewhere else on this side. Go on then. I will steal that torch and say that one. Torch the floor.
What's a hand up to keep them quiet?
Where are the marshmallows? No one's supposed to be sharing.
I'm gonna bring them. No, you won't.
Look at what you're not doing.
They're making fire.